rainbow. Not gonna let go of his little blue ball. Gingy says, I'll get it. I'll get that ball. That ball's almost as big as you are, little girl. Oh, Kipper says, no, I'm not sharing. Okay, Kipper. Is that fun? You little sweetie. Oh, Ginju, you need to be a little bigger so you can jump up on the couch too. Yes. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. An itchy ear. They're both scat. You silly ones. Yep.